Celebrity Chefs is brought to you by
Hi, I'm Jen Biesty. I'm chef owner of Shakewell restaurant, and I'm gonna make today a flatbread with squash blossoms. Flatbread is basically if you take your overproof pizza dough and you roll it out super thin, and then you put like delicious ingredients on it and bake it in the oven, and it's like cracker crunchy. So let's start with pizza dough. 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Now, if you have double O flour, which is pizza flour, use that. It's 3 and then 2 of everything. 2 teaspoons salt, yeast, and then olive oil. We have a cup of water. So it's 3 sets of 2s and a 1. And we turn that on, and then we're just gonna add the water. If it seems like it's a little dry, you can add a little bit more water. So I'm gonna take this, let's take a look. See how we're doing, because you don't wanna over-process the dough. See how it looks kind of crumbly? Still moist though, right? I think we're good. Dump this out here. And then we'll just give it a little knead. Just knead a little knead. Now we got a nice ball of dough. We'll cut it in 4. So we can make 4 nice little pizzas. Tuck and pat the dough, make a nice little ball. Give it a little love, dough love. And then I'm just gonna do a little drop. We're gonna put the oil on here so it doesn't dry out. We want it to be able to grow and not get sticky and stuck. Use a plastic wrap like a little blankie, tuck it in, and then we're just gonna set this aside at room temperature for 2 hours. Time has passed and we have some nice dough. You can see how it's soft now, ready to be rolled out. Like a pizza, you can stretch the dough. You can just start with a little bit of flour, but we want this to be flat. More like a cracker, this flatbread. So we're gonna go ahead and use a rolling pin. Keep an ample amount of flour on your rolling pin and your board, okay? You can pull it a little bit with your hands. You know, put some muscle into it. Give it a little push. You can see how thin it is, okay? A little paper thin, right? This is creme fraiche. And creme fraiche has a little tang to it. Go all the way to the edges. Then we get our beautiful squash blossoms. Lay them out. So pretty. I usually pull these little spiny bits off. Okay, and then let's put one here in the middle. A flower on there. All right, that looks beautiful. We're gonna take an ample amount of Parmesan cheese. Go all the way to the edge, okay? All the way to the edge. You can put a tiny bit of flour on here. There we go. Or you could just build it on here. That would probably be a little bit easier. I preset the oven at 450 and I have a pizza stone in the oven. You could easily just use a cookie sheet if you have a cookie sheet. If you are gonna do that, make sure you put a good amount of flour on the base. And it's gonna cook fast, 8 to 12 minutes. All right, woo! So that's pretty. We're gonna finish this, not too much. Truffle oil is really strong, but a little bit is really, really nice on here. And then we put a little tiny bit chili flake and then some good old Malden sea salt. You know, I love this flatbread and people love it. And I'm so happy to share this recipe with you to help you be a good cook and make other people happy. Fresh out of the oven, squash blossom flatbread, finished with sea salt and truffle oil. It's delicious. Really good.